Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLC 43 AMG Coupe. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has the exterior lighting package with front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear, 20-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, a cranberry black leather interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, sunroof, ambient lighting, rear spoiler, AMG GLC 43 badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, AMG illuminated door sills, AMG logo that appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual clamp controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic select for our different driving patterns, suspension adjustments, AMG exhaust. This GLC 43 AMG has 1,436 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 43 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.